Introducing Sanford all-new double-layered food-grade electric kettle. 1.7-liter capacity with 360-degree rotatable design. Food-grade SF1869EK stainless steel inner shell. Easy-to-use double-layer structure. Dedicated storage space for power cord. (360 rotatable and anti-skid baseplate power cord). Low boiling time consumption. Steam auto shut-off technology. Wide mouth design for easy to use and clean. Cool touch body design for anti-scald protection. Sanford all-new double-layered food-grade electric kettle. Sanford. Touching your life every day.